Okay, find the x value. In this case, it'd be a c value. But find the x value at which the derivative of this is equal to the average rate of change on the interval from 1 to 4. If you want a visual for it, we do have a graph. We won't always have that. But in this case, we're going to go from 1, which I believe is right there, to 4, which I believe is right there. And there is a slope. So there is a x value somewhere, at least one x value, and in this case it's exactly one x value, such that the slope of the line tangent to this curve at that x value is the same as this slope. And it is about right there. My guess is the answer is 2. We're going to find out in just a second. Okay, so let's do this by hand, and I'll use a purple pen. So find the x value at which the derivative of that, let's find the derivative of that. 9 goes away. This is really, and just in case you need to see the rewrite, by this point most of us will be okay without it, but if you are not, it is okay. There's no shame in that, quite all right. Sometimes you need to write this down, or at least have it in your head so you'll have a visual for it and you'll know what you're really taking the derivative of. So this is 9 goes away, positive 8, x to the negative 2, which sends it to the denominator. Okay, we found the derivative. Yay! We also need to find the average rate of change, which will be f of 4 minus f of 1 over 4 minus 1. Clearly a 3 in the denominator. F of 4, if we plugged a 4 in right there, we would have 2, so 9 minus 2, which is 7. Makes sense. And we will plug in 1 here. That'd be 8, so 9 minus 1 is going to give me, 9 minus 8 is going to give me 1, which makes sense. So we have 6 over 2, which is 6 over 3, which is 2. Wow, okay. So the slope is 2. I want the slope to equal the average rate of change. So I'm going to just say this equals 2. We did a little work over here. We'll bring the answer over, and we'll cross multiply. So we're going to have 2x squared equals 8, x squared equals 4, x equals plus or minus 2. Okay, well that is fantastic, but that isn't all, that's not going to work, okay? And here's why not. We want the average rate of change on the interval 1 to 4. Throw out the negative 2. So final answer, x equals, positive 2. Yeah, throw out the negative 2, keep the positive 2. So positive 2 only, and we have to keep in mind that that's the interval that we're dealing with.